Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate data visualization for sales with Qlik, complete guide step by step clearly. To automate data visualization for sales using Qlik, start by gathering your sales data from relevant sources. Ensure that your data is clean and structured for optimal analysis. Import your sales data into Qlik. This can be done through Qlik's built-in data load editor. Next, create a new app in Qlik. Set the appropriate connection to your data source. Once the data is loaded, navigate to the Data Manager. Here, you will review and prepare your data model. It's crucial to establish the correct associations between data tables. After setting up your data model, proceed to the Visualization section. Begin by selecting the type of visualization you want to create. Common choices include bar charts, line graphs, and pie charts. Drag and drop the relevant fields into the visualization. Customize the chart's appearance using available formatting options. Now, focus on adding filters to your visualizations. This allows users to explore specific segments of your sales data. Consider creating a dashboard that consolidates multiple visualizations. Arrange them logically to provide a comprehensive overview of sales performance. Once your dashboard is set, save your work. To automate the data updates, set a schedule for data refresh. You can do this in Qlik's load script settings. Select the frequency that aligns with your reporting needs. Test your automated setup to ensure accuracy and efficiency. Monitor the dashboard after the first automated run for any discrepancies. Use Qlik's alerts feature to notify you of any data anomalies. Finally, share your dashboard with stakeholders to keep everyone informed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.